Hi students, welcome back. When we create tables during any application development, some people either provide very short names for tables and columns so that they can be remembered easily, whereas some people use long but descriptive names so that the purpose of the table or column should reflect in their names. In both of these cases, people end up giving such names which do not make much sense to the user. Also, sometimes we require using expressions in the projection of select statement, and we may be required to provide it some identifier which will make some sense to the user. MySQL aliasing facility then comes to our rescue in such situations. Here in this lesson, we will try to understand how to use column aliases and make the display of the data meaningful to the user. You may see I am connected to the demo schema in the local server of MySQL. Here we fetch the names, salaries, commission and department numbers of employees respectively from columns named ename, sal, com and dptno from the EMP table. You can see the column names ename, sal, com or dptno as such do not make sense to the user. But if they are provided with some meaningful names, that means aliases, then the user will be happier. So our select statement will be in such case So here is our statement: select ename as employee name in single quotes, sal as salary, com as commission, dptno in double quotes department number from EMP where dptno equals to 30. Now I execute this statement by pressing Ctrl Enter combination, and here you can see there is a result. You can observe the column headings have changed to something meaningful. So ename has become employee name, sal has become salary, com has become commission and dptno has become department number. The keyword as imparts clarity and easy readability to the alias. This is the alias. Though this as keyword is actually optional, but I recommend using it for clarity. Multi-word aliases like this and this have to be enclosed in either double quotes or single quotes. And if you want to have a particular case, that is the aliases either to be displayed in the uppercase or lowercase, then these single word aliases can also be enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes with the particular case as desired. Thus friends, you now understand that providing alias to columns is a great way of providing some meaningful names. We arrive at the end of this lesson. Continue to the next lesson for a new topic. Thanks for watching.